That's us again. I just wanted to do a random video because I was bored. These are two Vigilans, and I only put one disc in them, so I'm only going to do once. I'm going to be shooting them both at once, basically dually on them.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And we might do some other shooting because we didn't really do it too good. Okay, okay, let's do it. Yeah, we're going to do other shooting.
One at that wall.
Okay.
You got to do it, yeah. So picture one. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
So pretty cool. They like ricochet off.
Yeah, that's what I like about the Vortex blasters. Oh, and by the way, these are the only Vortex blasters he owns.
Yeah, these are me only too. I'm hoping to get more.
I want to shoot it. I like this one.
Oh, we forgot. Last video we did a review of Nerf guns, and I forgot that on the XV700, which is this gun right here, it actually has a tactical rail right here.
It's not a tactical rail, but you can still put your Nerf attachments on it.
Yes, that's how it works. And yeah, that was pretty much a random video. Wait, you want to shoot some other guns, Alec?
Oh, sure.
Right.
Let's shoot this one to see how much range.
Yeah, we're going to do some other guns. We're just going to shoot randomly again. Okay, shoot out that wall.
Okay, I don't even know if he'll make it today.
So, yeah. Okay, Alec, here. Fire this.
Okay,
next.
Okay,
I'm going to, guys, I'm going to keep you busy while he does that.
Telling me to fully load it into file.
Yeah, my friend's going to fully load it. And then, yeah, we're going to do it. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah, bro. Yeah, who wants it bright? I'm just going to do it like this. Tell me in the comments below if you want it like this or if you want it lower or higher. I would say you'd want it about here.
What are you going to point to? Point to that wall.
Okay, my friend is going to shoot by over at that wall.
Yeah, you ready? 3.
So yeah, slam fire, which is really fun to do. So yeah, slam fire is really fun. And I'm here, you're gonna record me shooting. Here, you're gonna record me shooting that.
He's gonna shoot the triad.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, no, I'm gonna shoot something else. Here, keep him busy while
Sorry about that.
this gun. Keep him busy, Alec.
Yeah, so I don't know if he mentioned this while I was loading the Roto Fury. He has a boxing thing.
Just keep him busy and do something. Oh my God, Alec, what are you doing? Showing them your passion.
Yeah, and by the way, this is not a nerf scope. It is a Busby scope.
Yeah, I mentioned that in the last video. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it. Okay, I'm pointing it over to that painting.
Oh, by the way, he's firing the Strife, not the Triad.
Okay, that wasn't that many. I just filled up and I see now I'm sticking.
The Strife is a semi-automatic blaster. Comes with a 3-dot magazine.
Okay, I'm gonna now shoot some other guns. Okay,
Now let me do.
No, because you did them all last time. Okay, my next gun I'm gonna be doing the Maverick.
Next one I get to shoot though. Okay, fully loaded. There's a lot of dots right there, so just yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna fully load this.
Yeah, some bean bags.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of videos when we can. And sometimes my dad doesn't want me recording because he's doing something with his phone. Alright, here we go. Okay, point at where the painting is. Okay, I'm gonna
Kind
be
of
shooting.
blurry, but
3, 2, 1. Alright,
I like the Maverick just because the fact that it holds 6 and it's evolvable.
And there's also an elite version of the Maverick called the Strong Arm. And then it has slam fire unlike this. This doesn't really have it. That doesn't work.
The only Nerf guns that I can think of that has a evolvable kind of thing is a Strong Arm, Maverick, and Cyclone Shock, I think. Yeah, Cyclone Shock. They're basically all the same, except the Maverick is the weakest, and then the Strong Arm is better, and then the Cyclone Shock is mega. Okay, can I shoot one gun and then you can go back to shooting? I just want to shoot one. Okay, here.
Alright, I'm gonna record my friend doing it.
I'm gonna be shooting. How about the double strike?
Okay, he's gonna be shooting the double
No,
strike.
that's V700.
Actually, no, he's gonna be shooting the XP700. And we already reviewed all my guns.
Where's the magazine for?
Magazine. It's in here. Here.
Okay.
There isn't too many.
Might take a while.
Alright, okay. I was just joking with him. Alright. Here's my punching bag. Just give it a big wiggle. Alright.
Tell them this files cheese balls as well.
Yeah, this can fire cheese balls, the XV700, but you have to find the right one. Right one
Yeah,
to
some
do
won't
it.
fit in the tube.
Yeah.
As you can see, the tube fits in a certain way. You can't like do that. You have to.
Yeah, you have to like look for. Here, let's put it in. You have to look for this little like marking right here because then it'll slide in. But if you do it the other way, it won't work.
Okay, I think we're ready. Yeah, I'm gonna be
Okay.
shooting at the painting.
Okay, first like this. Go.
No, like just shoot it at the painting. Full shot.
So you can barely see it because it's so fast.
Yeah, really. Time, as we said. Yeah. Really quick with that was an attachment, like a red dot or something. They're not available.
I was gonna get that on Here, just put this on there.
Okay. Yeah, it's not meant for Nerf. It's not meant for Nerf attachments, but attachments. You can like still fit them on.
Yeah. Like that.
I mean, this looks really stupid.
Just still
The only way a full grip would be used on a gun like this would be like to do that, I guess. Or like hang it over your shoulder like I like to do with the rotor fuel. Like when I go and carry it. I'm not going to run with it in a Nerf because it will fall off. But yeah.
Alright, Alec, record me shooting the
It's
missiles.
actually
for a
like
little bit.
this. I don't run with it in a roll because it'll fall off and like bust because I really like this gun, so I don't want it to bust.
Okay, my friend's gonna record me shooting this gun with a missile.
Missile?
No, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Alright.
reading it for you.
Okay. Okay, I'm
Shooting at the painting again. So yeah, push action missile. Did come with another one right there that I showed you in another video, but he lost it.
Yeah, I don't know. It got like just breaking. So now I don't know.
Sorry about that again. Yeah. Double deal.
No, that's the double strike.
Sorry about that again. Double strike, I mean. I like to call it that Doomlands blaster, the double deal. I really want that gun.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
I'm gonna go over the guns that I have real quick. I have the Sling File, Maverick, Triad, Retaliator. I can't remember them all.
Hold the camera more.
I have too many.
Hold the camera like this. Like hold it more far away from your face. It's
Hold
like
on.
this, and it's like so close to your face. My friend's goofing. Oh my god, Alex.
Okay, here.
That was my friend, not me. Alright.
File. How about I want to file the Rapid Strike, but they probably seen people fire it as a really cool gun.
Yeah.
Real